Alright, so pro tip on the EGR leg on the 6.7. A lot of people talk about how they break the bolts. I've been doing this method for some time. You can also do this with the cab on. Just take the intake plenum off and access these bolts. A lot of people say you work them back and forth, soak them in PB. I mean, I've never done it that way. I just have an air chisel tip ground down a little bit. Make sure it fits inside your 5/16 wrench. Install 5/16 wrench. Oops. Feeders positive vibes. Just comes right out. And they come right out.